Hi Ray, I've got Instagram feed. I've just checked one at random, and if I click on this image here, okay, make a liar out of me. Sorry, go back. This first one here, it's just black. There's quite a number of them that are like this. If I click on the Instagram, there it is there. So it hasn't been pulled down from Instagram, but for some reason it's not showing up in our feed. So if I let's go to the next image and start moving along. Okay, so another one. So this one here, and then another one there. So there's a few in that hashtag. I come up to Rawnsley Park.
Come on, this week.
There's another one. So that's this one. So I think you can see the issue. Let me know what you think, and hopefully we can get this resolved. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.